Everyone, welcome back to the next video. In today's video I will show you how to display a text field or an edit text in native Android application using XML layout. So first you will have to create an Android project using the empty views project or the XML layout project. Once you create that project, all you have to do is you will have to go to res, go to layout activity underscore main. Also I have created this folder called font, and inside that I have dragged and dropped one font. Make sure the font name is in lowercase, and also there are no dash. You can use underscore, but that should not be any dash. So this is the output on my real Android device. As you can see, there is some placeholder, and if I want I can start typing over here. Also, if you see, there is this done button at the inside the done button on the keyboard. So I'll also show you how to do that. So first you will have to create an you will have to go to activity underscore main, and inside also colors.xml I have added one color, so you can add whatever color makes sense to you. Next, if you so here as you can see I have taken one edit text. Then I have used so I'll show you the design as well. So here as you can see I have used this width equal to 0 dp. Because I am inside a constraint layout, I want this edit text to occupy the entire width. That's why I'm using 0 dp over here, and I'm constraining it to the start of our parent as well as to the end of our parent. Okay, so our parent is our constraint layout over here, so I'm making sure it is constrained at the start as well as at the end. That's why I have kept the width as 0 dp. Next, I have kept the height as wrap content, so it will occupy the minimum height which is required for our text field, and I have constrained it to the top as well as to the bottom of our parent. That's why it is at the very center. We will look into constraint layout in some other video, but yeah. Next, if here for horizontal margin I have applied some horizontal margin of 10 dp, so that our text field has some space at the start as well as at the end. And font family I am using Pacifico regular, which I have applied, which I have dragged and dropped inside our font folder over here. Then for text color I have applied the green color, which I have taken over here. Next, for text size I have kept it as 25 sp. The text size should be in 25 sp, whereas for margin and padding you use something called dp, and for text size you use a unit called sp. Then the input type is of type text, but if you want you can use other input type as well, like there is phone, number, email, all that kind of stuff, date time. And as I told you, like on the keyboard you were seeing this done button, right? That was because of this IME options. So I have kept the IME options as action done, but you can keep it as next as well. And hint, I have applied some placeholder. So this is our placeholder for our text, edit text, and this is our constraints for our constraint layout. And this important for autofill, I have kept it as none. Now that's it for edit text. If you want to use it programmatically, so what you will have to do, you will have to apply some ID as well. It can be anything. I'll keep it as edit text only. And if you have to use it, you can just use something like just use private latent var. So first you have to initialize it, so I'll just use edit text. Okay, and here you can go and initialize it first. Edit text equal to find view by id, and you have to use the same id which you have defined it inside our layout file. So this is your id, edit text, so I'm using the same thing over here. Now this is some Android Studio bug, that's why it is showing error. It is not really an error. Now if you want to assign some text to it, you can use something like this, or if you want to change the property of your edit text, you can use you can do it programmatically as well. Okay, I think that's not how you apply. I think it is set text. Yeah, that's how you apply text programmatically to an edit text. But yeah, that's how you can figure out other properties as well. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.